If the ball's hit a certain way, he's going to get a great jump on it.
Now he's jogging in place. 2-2. Hit up in the air to right field. Ronald over to his left. He's still got one hand in a hand pouch.
Yeah.
And that's into the screen for a foul ball. He just ran across right field with one hand in a hand pouch, refusing to take it out.